So where is that skeleton that I'm looking for? Do you know? Okay, so I guess I'll have to time set it. /time set. And okay, N doesn't work. Time set night. Guess I'll just go over here and time night, and then I'll send it. And now I'm just looking for a skeleton to spawn out of nowhere. I have half iron armor and golden armor. So there's a zombie I am afraid of. Oh no, a creeper. I hate creepers. Look at those witherheads. They're so cool looking and creepy. Ah, that creeped me out. These are too creepy. Guess I'll just place one. I don't think I should go to the nether. Should I? It's not peaceful, so. Oh, I just found some coal, but I don't have a pickaxe. It'd be useful to have one. Guess I should just keep exploring. Okay, I guess I'll just keep exploring and go into the nether. Actually, no, I changed my mind. Oh god, I was about to teleport in there. Why aren't there any mobs at all? Hey you, you must die. Hey you dropped rotten flesh and experience. Hey you, creeper, you look weird and you must die. Ah, I hate when you give me hunger. So you're that type. I hate rotten flesh. Hey creeper, come and get me. You just blew up for no reason. That did no attack damage. No, why did I collect this? Guess I'll just have to grab my stone sword and break some of this cactus. I love you, Mr. Cactus. That's why I'm collecting you. Why can't I sprint jump? I mean, like, sprint. I can't. What? Wait a minute. What? This is such a not cool glitch. Guess I'll just click. That's dirt. Trying to look for clay that looks like dirt and sand at the same time. Where can I find clay? That's dirt, I think. Gonna keep looking. Just keep looking. Just keep. Fine. I did not find it, but what I did find is this baby sheep that looks like a hamster. I thought it was a hamster, but now, oh, it's a pig. Thought you were a sheep. Come back here, you pig. Is this what pork chops look like? Oh, hey, zombie. Come and get me. You must. I have one heart. Oh no. Oh no, one of them. Oh no. I need your helmet. You did not drop any of your armor. Oh, you did drop. Oh no. No, I hate them. No. Please Please, not you. Anything but you. I think you guys heard that. I don't know. Oh, he's right over there. Oh, it's a skeleton. Thank you for sending me a skeleton, but you just killed me. That was lame. Guess I'll just go to sleep. That's the only thing I have left to do. And wait for the day and collect spiders' droppings. Catch on fire, yo. Oh, the spider eye is so realistic. So creepy. Finally, I can sprint jump. Oh my god, I have 1 heart and a half. Oh, I don't know where that skeleton went. Oh, there you are. It caught on fire. Oh no. Oh, I'm stuck with you now. And I killed you and you gave me an axe. That I actually really need. I need to get out of here by breaking dirt and then collecting it, which is the dumbest thing ever. Because, like, I don't really need dirt. So this iron axe that is about to run out. Yay, I'm wearing a wither skull. It looks so cool. So it dropped an axe that I actually really need, an iron one. Oh my god, I am on the bad team. And I have such good armor. And finally I found a sheep that will drop wool. I need your wool. Sorry, sheep. But I need you to kill you. Now I need to find another sheep. Wait a minute. Oh, right. I forgot. Oh, a llama. They do not drop what I need. They drop leather, similar to wool, but I don't really need leather. Also, you can't make armor out of wool, but you can make armor out of leather. Oh my god. I keep falling into the places of nowhere. So I guess I'll just keep... Wait, was that a treasure chest? Like an actual treasure chest, not like a chest that I play. Oh no, it's just a dirt block. So useless. Oh, good, 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 good. I fell into the water, not into the ground, or else I think I would have died. So I'm gonna use my axe wisely. Like if my stone sword breaks, I'm gonna freak out because I don't have any other weapons except for my axe. So I think I should make a craft table. Sorry, axe, but I need you. So I think that's enough. Oh my god, that made so much stuff. So I guess I'll grab the crafting table and gonna place it over here. Chickens are brown? What the heck? I guess I'll what am I gonna do? Make an axe. So oops. I'm holding sticks. Guess I need that. I need a pickaxe. And I need an axe. And I need bone meal. And that's all. And a chest. Because I'm gonna like leave a secret stuff just laying in the middle of nowhere. Where no one will find it actually. Because it's gonna be hidden. Oh my god, I forgot. How could I forget this such simple thing? So I'm gonna like dig down. Pickaxe, this is why I have you. And I'm gonna put the chest over here. I can't open it, so I'm gonna mine a little thing over it. And what I'm gonna put in here is a wither skull, some cobblestone. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep this cobblestone and andesite, some raw mutton, some dirt, and some. Actually, no, I need this white wool and a bunch of doors. So, I guess I'll grab all of this cobble that I don't think that all of this is gonna be enough to get out. Not even the andesite. Okay, the andesite kind of worked. So I need this dirt to go over here, and then I found a horse. That's actually pretty good. Hello, horsey. Are you good or... Oh my god, you're running fast, and I am starving. Oh, you're a fast runner. Do you hate rain? I guess so. Why are you running in circles? You must. Oh, that was a sad sound. I am so starving. I need this. Do I have any? Oh, why did I put those raw muttons in there? I really need this. Okay, so a nook spawning, I think. Akia. Can't plant it, so I'm just gonna plant it over here. To know. What if I grab a piece of dirt and then I grab a bunch of sand. At least spawlings don't run out. So I'm gonna collect a bunch of sand. And, oh wait, what? So dirt goes last. And I hope that 11 pieces of sand. Why can't I place it anymore? Oh, now I can. No, I need to break that. And then throw all of this out. And now I need to grab dirt and put it on top of all that sand and then plant the Akia spawning. Actually, I just got a better idea. I'm supposed to break that and then put there, and now you can grow free. Actually, not really. I'm just gonna grab more dirt. And then your roots can grow their way to land. I need more dirt. That is kinda useless, but I actually really need it. And then you can grow up here, and then up here, and then up here, and whatever. Oh, dang it, wait. What did I just do? Just gonna give you a little more space. Shift. Oh, my little boy, I love you. Now I guess I'll leave you right over here. And now, my little boy, I'm gonna die. Oh, what? Oh, why was it so dark?